Hi, today I'm going to show you the new sheet tool, which creates new sheets. So normally in Revit, when you create sheets, you would navigate to Sheets in the project browser, hit New Sheet, select the sheet, like the title block, and then the left side hand over here, you have like a place where you can put the sheet set, sheet name, sheet number, who did the sheet, the author. Um, but this isn't exactly user friendly. It's kind of hard to find stuff sometimes, and oftentimes it's easy to also forget to put your name on for the author. So the New Sheets tool attempts to fix some of those problems. So to use the tool, navigate to WW Drafting, and then navigate to the Sheets panel. There'll be this New Sheets button. Click it, and then this form pops up. And there's this box to put your name in. That's the first thing you need to do. If you don't have that, it won't even let you proceed. You put your name. And I'm just gonna make sheet 203 and hit OK, and I made 203. Just to show you what it made, just go in, see it has the drawn by here, and it's where it needs to be. So one of the other options in New Sheets, I just open elevation view, but it has this checkbox here where you could place the current view that you're looking at onto a sheet. So I'm just going to show you that functionality. I'm going to make a sheet 204, place this current view, and then up here there's also a number of sheets to add. So if you increment that, it gives you an option to add more sheets, and then 206. I'll make just 3 sheets to show you. Now if we go down to sheets, there's a 204 with that view in it, a 205, and a 206. And that's basically how the tool works. Thank you.